Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to start solving few interesting questions from class 8, our chapter rational numbers. I hope you know this is the first chapter in your textbook. This is going to be completely an English session. Okay, so anyone can learn from India or from all over the world. This is going to be a very interesting concept. What we are going to do actually here is I have a special playlist for competitive exams and Olympiad preparation students exams, like rational numbers or mensuration or algebra, whatever the concepts you have from class 8. I'm going to keep on updating with a lot of interesting questions, and also I'm going to solve the sums live to you. Okay, so even if you are not aware of any basics of rational numbers, no problem, dears. Just continue watching. When I am start solving sums one by one, you can easily able to understand all the concepts, whatever we are covering in rational numbers. Okay, so this video going to contain 10 solving sums. This is going to be a part one video. Whatever the basics are going to be there, all the basics I'm going to cover. Okay, so just continue watching. This will give you immense knowledge about inside textbook as well as outside textbook also. Okay, whatever they are giving inside the textbook, it is not enough for you to prepare for Olympiad exams. I hope you agree with me, right? Yeah, so this is going to be very much helpful. Few questions maybe look like very simple, few questions are going to be really challenging one. Yes, so here we go. The first question is, if m is a rational number, then 2m is. Let's check out the options also as well. A rational number, natural number, whole number, and none of these. If a number is a rational number, then 2m. 2m means what? It is going to be twice of that particular number. Okay. For example, if I am taking 4 from rational number, I hope you know rational numbers are denoted by q. Then 4 is a rational number, means twice of 4 is what? 8. 8 is also a rational number. Now you may ask me, sir, 4 and 8 are natural numbers also, whole numbers also. Why don't we pick that one? 4 and 8 I took only for our comfort, easy number for your easy, better understanding. What if I'm taking something like 2 over 5? 2 over 5 is a rational number. Rational number means what? The number must be in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0 and P and Q must be integers there. The denominator, we should not have zeros. All the remaining numbers can be, we can use that. So 2 by 5, if I'm assuming is a rational number, then twice of 2 by 5 will be 4 by 5. It also will be a rational number. Okay, so for the first question, your answer is, if any number, if you are assuming a rational number means, then twice the product of number also going to be a rational number. Okay, it can be a whole number, it can be a natural number sometimes. Okay, not in all the cases. Like whole numbers is also contained in rational number. Natural number also contained in rational number only. Okay, rational number is a huge area in which whole number is also a small part, natural number is also a small part. Yeah, I hope you understand the first question. Now here we go with the next question. Question number 2. The reciprocal of negative rational number. Okay, I hope you have knowledge about reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Whenever we are multiplying a number with its reciprocal, you need to get 1 as the answer. In other words, I can say that a number or a fraction, whatever you are using, just to rotate upside down. In simple words, like if you are writing 2 over 3, what is the reciprocal of 2 over 3? 3 over 2, 3 by 2. If it is negative 4 by 9, then the reciprocal is going to be negative 9 by 4. So you may ask me, sir, why don't we write a 9 by minus 4? This is also same. These both are same only. Whether negative symbol is there in numerator or denominator, the entire rational number will be considered as a negative number. Okay, so make a note of this point. Whether it is minus 9 by 4 or 9 by minus 4, or sometimes they may give like this, minus 9 by 4. All these have equal value only. Okay, so when we are talking about reciprocal, symbols are not going to change. Only the position of the numbers will get interchanged. That is, numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. I hope I made my point clear. Okay, so negative rational numbers reciprocal also again going to be negative only. Therefore, your answer for this question is option B, negative. Yes, So reciprocal means again saying don't change the symbol, just rotate the fraction. Okay, if it is not a fraction, what of 5? What is the reciprocal of 5? We know it is 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. Or if I'm giving you minus 7, what is reciprocal of minus 7? It is minus 1 by 7. Finding reciprocal is very, very important. With the help of reciprocal concept only, we are doing fraction division. I hope you have that basic knowledge there. Okay. Now let us move to the question number 3. The standard form of 192 by minus 168. So you have many ways to cancel. Okay, standard form means what? I need to simplify the given numbers. So let me take 192 by negative 168. So listen carefully. You can use 2 table, you can use 4 table, or you can use 8 table also. Okay. Whenever we are doing cancellation, always think about greater number possibility. If you are keep on doing 2 table, 2 table, 2 table means waste of time. So by looking wise, I can say, look at the denominator 16 and 8, both will come in 8 table, no? So I'm going to use 8 table directly. Yeah. Now, how many times? 2 8s are 16, 1 8s are 8. I hope you got this. In 19, how many 8s are there? 2 8s are 16. Remainder 3, you can use it in between. So this makes it as 32. How many times? 4 times. So I am getting 24 by minus 21. Okay. Now, again, these two numbers can be cancelled in 3 table. 3 multiples, right? So this is 8 times and this is 7 times. So 8 by minus 7. This is the simplified form, but not the standard form. Standard form means denominator should not have a negative. You have that condition also. So you can just simply transform this. In the previous sum only I told you, right? Whether the denominator or numerator having negative, the entire rational is going to be considered as a negative. Okay, so 8 by minus 7 or minus 8 by 7, both are value-wise to same only. Make sure standard form means denominator shouldn't have negative form. So for this question, your answer is where it is option B. See here also option they gave in the middle negative. So don't search why this negative 8 by 7 is not there. Okay, that's what I'm mentioning. Keep on mentioning negative 8 by 7 or negative 8 by 7 or 8 by negative 7, all are same only. Value wise, all are same only. Okay, just fix that. I hope you understand this. Okay, so standard form question means always try to simplify the numbers. When you are simplifying, you choose the largest table possibility. Even this question can be done with the cancellation of 2 table and 4 table also. But by reaching this 8 by minus 7, it may take time to you. So as much as the largest number you are choosing for the cancellation, it will reduce your time. Yes. Now let us move to 4th question. So whenever questions are appearing on the screen, if possible, if you have a confidence that you could able to solve the question means, kindly pause the video and try it by yourself and then play the video and check your answer. Yeah, that would be fine. Just consider this as a test. Now check out here. Check out the 4th question. Which of the following statement is false? They are not asking true, they are asking false. So just write true or false for each and every sentence, whatever they are giving. The first one is every fraction is a rational number. Yes, it is true. Because all the fractions will be in the form of P by Q, right? And P and Q are integers. Q is not equal to 0. This is the condition for your rational numbers. Rational numbers are denoted by Q. Okay, so the first statement is true. Now, second statement, every rational number is a fraction. Is that true? Every rational number. There is B statement is vice versa of A statement. Every fraction is a rational number that we know already. B is every rational number is a fraction, which means if I am saying 5 by 7 is a rational number, you may agree that 5 by 7 is fraction also. Yes, I do agree. But what if I am changing minus 5 by 7? Minus 5 by 7 is a rational number, but it is not a fraction. Because in the case of fraction, we are going to consider only positives. Okay, so the generalized statement of rational number is fractions together with the negatives can be considered as a rational number. So fractions doesn't going to involve negative terms there. Therefore, your option B is false. So we got the answer in B itself. What we need to do, what most of the students wish to do, if they are getting the answer in A or B means they won't even look option C and D. But my request is whenever you are attending any competitive exams or any Olympiad exams, any exams, even during your school exams, kindly check all four options. My personal request, because sometimes to confuse you, to deviate you, wrong answer might be given in option A or B, so that your eyes won't even look C and D. But what you need to do, you need to check all the four options. Even if you are getting your answer in A and B, you must check the remaining options also. It's my personal request. Okay, now you just check. See, every integer is a rational number. Yeah, it is true only, because all the integers can be represented as the denominator 1, 5 by 1 or 3 by 1 or minus 2 by 1. Obviously, it is in the form of P by Q. And all of this is not there. So for this question, your correct answer is option B, because the question they are asking is which of the following is false they are asking. So the false statement is option B. Yes, I hope you understand this. Now let us go to the next question. The rational number representation of 3.76. So they are giving in terms of decimal and asking us to find out its rational form. So just to convert this into fraction, how you used to do 3.76 means 376 divided by 100. Sir, how you wrote this? Very easy, children. You check how many points comes after the decimal point. 2 points means you must write 2 zeroed number, which is 100. Suppose if the question containing like this 337.6 means you should write 376 by 10, because point after one number means 10. Okay, if you don't know how to convert fractions into decimal or decimals into fraction means, we have a special playlist called Concept Clarity. You check the playlist. Okay, in my channel, you check the playlist column, just scroll down, you will get a video playlist called Concept Clarity. In that, I have made a post a content exclusively for all the conversions, not only fractions and decimal, fraction, decimal, percentage, ratio. All these conversions, I made it as a one single video. It comes around 20 to 25 minutes. I request you to watch that so that you will get a complete clarity about all the conversions. Yes. So in this question, they are asking only rational representation. So your answer is 376 by 100, where it is option D. Sometimes they may give you the simplified rational representation. So if they are using the word simplified means, then you must cancel this and then find your answer. Okay, because in order to confuse you, they used to give some such words. Here, they didn't mention simplified. They are asking only rational. So we are writing the direct answer. Sometimes I'm just giving you extra information also. Sometimes they may mention simplified means you can go for cancellation. That is, after converting the decimal into fraction, you need to cancel the numbers also. Yes, shall we go for the next question? I hope you understand this question also as well. Here we go with this question number 6. Additive inverse of 5 by minus 4. So in the earlier question, we done something about multiplicative inverse, which is reciprocal. What is meant by additive inverse? Very simple. Additive inverse means change the symbol. Okay, change the symbol. No need to change the number, you just change the symbol. If your number is positive means change it as negative. Negative means change it as positive. Now the given number is 5 by minus 4, which is a negative rational number. So your correct answer is positive. Don't ever reciprocal. Okay, additive inverse concept means you need to change the symbol. No need to reciprocal. Reciprocal means you should not change the symbol, but upside down rotation of the fraction, the rational number, whatever they are giving. They both are different. Don't confuse, because many students, they used to confuse. Again, I'll repeat. Additive inverse means change the symbol. Reciprocal means you should not change the symbol, but flip the fraction. Is it clear now? See, why I'm mentioning this particularly, to confuse you, they gave this option also. See, most of the students will pick this one, 4 by minus 5. They may misunderstood the relationship between differentiation between reciprocal and additive inverse. Okay, so you do have such confusing options also in your options. So be careful, be aware that with the words, whatever they are using. And another word for reciprocal is multiplicative inverse. Okay. Question number 7. Dash is additive inverse of itself. Dash is additive inverse of itself. Before moving for the options, can you try imagine a number which is additive inverse to itself? What is the number? Yeah, shall we go? I hope few might be having the answer in your mind. Your options are 100, 2, 1, 0, and your correct answer is 0. Additive inverse means what? A number added with what number will give you 0? 100 means minus 100. In the previous question only I told additive inverse means what we need to do. We need to change the symbol. So 100 additive inverse is minus 100. 2 additive inverse is minus 2. 1 additive inverse is minus 1. 0 doesn't have any symbol. So there is only one possibility of getting 0 plus 0 only 0. Therefore, 0 is additive inverse of itself. Is that clear? Yeah, simple question. Basic things you must know. It is not like that when you are getting into some concepts, you need to learn only the advanced things. Sometimes we may aware of all advanced concepts. We know how to divide, we know how to find rationals, everything we know. But sometimes we may lack in basics like this. Okay, so just learn everything. Okay, now question number 8. We have a few more. Just continue watching. Which of the following is product of these two? So we need to multiply them. So just write down. We need to multiply here. So 6 over 13 times negative 26 over 3. So try to do the cancellations and try the answer by yourself if possible. You can pause the video and try to do the cancellations and find the answer. This is very easy, right? We are going to do with the help of cancellations only. So I can do 3 and 6 how many times? 2 times. 13 and 26 how many times? 2 times. So remaining you have 2 times negative 2. So your answer is option B, negative 4. Sometimes what few genius will do, they used to cancel this 2 and 2 also. Don't ever do that mistake. We should not cancel the numbers when they are in same numerator or when they are in same denominator. You are allowed to cancel only when one is in numerator and another one is in denominator. It's very, very important. So make a note of it. For this question, your answer is negative 4. Yes. Now let us go to 9th question of this video. The product of two numbers is negative 28 by 81. If one number is 14 by 27, the other. So this question is opposite of the previous question. So what they are giving here is, try to understand. They gave one number 14 by 27 and we don't know the another number. But when I am multiplying, my answer is minus 28 by 81. How to find this? For example, if I'm giving 2 times what number 10? What you will say? You will say 5. How that 5 comes? I'm moving this to here and I'm making it as divide. Multiplication opposite sign is divide. Same way I'm going to do. So instead of here, I'm going to make it as some x. Whenever we need to find some unknown values, always we used to take it as x now the same way. So what I'm going to do is negative 28 by 81 divided by 14 by 27. So divide means what? Reciprocal. Yeah. So when I'm shifting this to here, it will get reciprocal. The example only I gave you on the right hand side corner. 2 times 5 is 10. How 5 comes there? You are doing divide. Same application. So negative 28 by 81. Divide means a reciprocal. So 27 by 14. Now cancellation is very, very easy. 27, 81 cancel in 9 table. 3 9s are 9 9s are. Again further cancel in 3 table. 1 time, 3 time. 14 and 28 by looking wise you cancel. They are exactly double. Or if you want to use 7 table means you can cancel. So the 1 time, 2 time. So you have one negative symbol there. Don't forget. So your answer is negative. Numerator have 2 remaining. Denominator have 3 remaining. So where is your option? Option B is your correct answer. Is that clear? Yes. I hope you understand how to find the missing value there. Whenever we need to find a missing value, definitely you just assume it as x and then you can find your number there. It's a very, very easy one. Got it? Assume the number as x, move the number. When you are transforming the number, it will be divided. Okay. Now, I hope you understand. Yeah, these kind of questions only will be basic of your competitive exams. Yeah, so try to understand. Now let us move to last question of this video. Question number 10. Evaluate. So you have 4 rational numbers with addition and subtraction. You may feel so it's a lengthy one. No, DS, it's very easy. Check out the options, just keep it aside. What I'm going to do is you check out the denominators. Addition subtractions are always going to depend on denominators only. Okay, in the concept clarity playlist, what I have mentioned earlier, I have posted all 4 operations on fractions also. How to add, how to subtract, how to multiply, how to divide. If you are not aware of how to do all these with the fractions, do check the playlist. Otherwise, I will also give you the link in the iCard. You can check there later. Okay, now just compare the first fraction, that is first rational with the third one. Denominators are same. And second with fourth one, denominators are same. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to combine together. So 3 by 5, when you are writing this, you write with the symbols along with. I'm writing them together. Try to understand whatever the denominators having same number, I'm just writing together. And then write these two separately. That is 7 by 3 and 2 by 3. So solve it. What I'm going to get 3 minus 11 is minus 8 by 5. Now solve this. 7 minus 2 is 5 by 3. Denominator same means I can do directly addition or subtraction with the numerator. That's what I have done there. Now again in this next step, you are getting different denominators. So you can go with your ordinary cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, this is first one. So 3 8s are minus 24. And then second, you need to do this multiplication. 5 5s are 25. And third one, you need to multiply the denominators. 5 3s are 15. Cross multiplication is one such easiest way to solve addition subtraction between the fractions, obviously the rationals. Fractions, if you don't know how to do addition, subtraction, multiply, divide means rationals you cannot do. Okay, so if you're still struggling with all 4 operations on fraction means, kindly spend some time and do watch those videos, whatever I have mentioned. Very, very helpful. Only one time learning, you will get everything easily and to understand. Yeah, so coming back to this question, what is the answer? 25 minus 24 is 1 by 15. So your answer for this question is option D. So successfully we have practiced 10 questions. Okay, as mentioned, this is a part 1 video of rational numbers. Like this, I'm going to cover, and I have already covered. Okay, just check the playlist. Already, I think I have posted mensuration, square roots, cube roots, and a few more concepts are already there. But now I am resuming this playlist after a long break. So just continue checking. Chapter wise, I'm going to post the videos like part 1, part 2, part 3. Part wise, the level of questions will go little difficult. So that only when you are practicing some difficult and advanced questions, it will give you immense knowledge in the particular concepts there. Whatever you are learning in your textbook is very, very less. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. We'll continue the remaining in our next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Please do subscribe to our channel if you are new to it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.